LangGraph is a way to build an agent as a stateful workflow. In this video, we will cover state, nodes, edges, and one bounded retry for a RAG agent. Here is the whole graph first. A user question enters the graph, the router decides where it goes, the RAG tool tries to answer, and only a fail-closed result gets one retry. A RAG agent should not be a mystery loop. If retrieval fails, the agent should not keep trying forever. A graph lets you decide exactly what can happen next. Imagine a tiny support bot for a printer manual. The user asks, "Why is the print job stuck?" The bot can answer from the manual, ask for clarification, or safely stop. State is the shared notebook passed through the graph. It can hold the user question, root intent, retry count, rewritten query, tool result, and final response. Nodes are small functions. One node routes the message. One calls the RAG tool. One rewrites the query. One formats the final answer. Edges are policy. If the router sees small talk, do not call RAG. If it sees a manual question, call RAG. If the question is vague, ask for clarification. Bounded retry means one controlled recovery attempt. If RAG fails closed and retry count is 0, rewrite the query once and call the same RAG tool again. The graph owns orchestration. The RAG tool still owns evidence, citations, and fail-closed behavior. The graph may retry once, but it cannot turn weak evidence into a confident answer. Build graph first, LLM second. Design the state, nodes, edges, and stop conditions. Test them with stub tools. Then replace the stubs one boundary at a time. LangGraph is useful when agent behavior needs visible control, state, branching, memory, retry, and hard stops. Start small. Make every transition explainable.